Thank you. They showed me a lot of things, and I think at the time they showed me, I wasn't ready. I didn't know what they were talking about, but I just listened to it because I had a lot of questions. So I was really curious and grateful that they were telling me things. I think it was before the war started in Ukraine and Russia. And I was in Russia, so they showed me that there's going to be war. You have to leave. And I thought there is no way. But they showed me that it's going to bring a lot of sadness, but it's serving a purpose. It was waking up a lot more people. It was waking up people from Russia, Ukraine, and other parts of the world that we got to stick together. We got to help each other. And it wasn't a war between people. It was war between governments. It was war between greed, but not people, ordinary people. And they showed me how it was going to change so many lives, how it was going to awaken so many people. But there will be sacrifices, obviously.